Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker sloppy joes. Alright, I'm starting out on my pressure cooker. I've set on saute and it's hot. And I'm going to put in about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. And I'm going to go ahead and break this up and brown it up. And I'll have to drain off the excess fat because this isn't lean beef. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, now that my ground beef is done browning and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to add in 3 spoons of minced garlic. If you use fresh, just use 3 cloves. And I have my heat off right now. That's alright. I'm just going to stir this in here because this is still hot. Alright, now I have an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. We're going to add that in. I'm also going to add in a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce, and I'm just going to eyeball this, guys. Use any kind of barbecue sauce you like. I'm going to add in, and I'm going to use my teaspoon for this, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 2 teaspoons is a tablespoon. I'm going to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of brown sugar. Grab another spoon. Alright, I got all that stuff there. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of onion powder. And a teaspoon of chili powder. And that's a little bit much. Alright. Now let me give that a stir. Just want to mix everything together. It's smelling really good, guys. Alright, now I'm going to seal my lid on here. Now I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, my time's up. I released my pressure. Now I turn this on to saute, and I'm going to add in a cornstarch slurry, which is 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to thicken this up a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and stir that in there. And I'm going to allow this to cook for about 2 minutes, just to thicken this up quick. Alright, this went for about a minute. It's finished. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and served that on a hamburger roll with a nice slice of cheddar cheese. Get in here and give this a try. I'm going to bring my plate up today. That's really good. Ground beef is really fine. Really well seasoned, has a good smoky barbecue flavor to it. The cheese is melted in there and it tastes good. The hamburger roll is nice. It's really delicious. It wasn't hard at all, and it's worth trying. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker sloppy joes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.